back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Judy. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate your coming back. So let me tell you guys, this sun is too hot. So I'm actually from church right now, and I'm in the staff room. So I just came to pick a few things, then I go back to the house. So I want to freshen up first of all, because the sun. And then I also need to prepare dinner, and I also need to, like, when I was coming back, I bought a few things, just a few, so maybe I'll share that with you guys. Then you continue with the vlog. So I hope you're going to enjoy, and remember to give it a like if you enjoy. So these are the things I got, just a few things. We have bread, Weetabix, some biscuits, meat, and avocados, and also bananas. Imagine these were 20 bob. 20. I am so excited. I was craving some avocados. Oh, this is my dinner, you guys. So let me indulge, and then I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is on Monday, the 17th of October. So it's around 6:50. So I want to prepare myself and go to school. It's just a walking distance. So if you haven't even watched my morning routine, so make sure you go and watch that. So I want to prepare some breakfast and get ready, take a shower, and then I go to school. So let's do that. Let's have breakfast. This is my breakfast: white coffee, bread with avocado. Then I'm watching business proposal. So let me dig in, and then let me hit. Guys, we are done, so I want to head out. This is my fit for today. I'm just wearing a black dress. Those are my shoes. So guys, I am back to the house. So it's 5:19 on Monday today. So, and I just want to wash my hair. So I did not plait my hair this time around. So I want just my hair to be staying natural. So I'm going to wash. I will not take you guys along because we don't have a shower. So yeah, so I'm just going to show you the products I normally use, and then I'm going to take care of my hair. These are the products I normally use. I use the Zoe shampoo anti-dandruff. Then I also go in with the Zoe conditioner. Then I also have the Venus treatment and anti-breakage. Then I have this Casmol Movit leave-in. So I want to try this, the leave-in hair conditioner from Movit. And then I normally also apply some coconut oil after everything. Then in normal basis, I normally spray some sheen spray from Olive. So these are all the products that I normally use for my hair, and I'm going to use this just right now. So I'm just going to do this off camera. breakfast today. Today is on Tuesday. I'm having some bread, an egg, and white coffee. Then we head out. So guys, I'm heading out. I'm going to school, yeah. So today is on Tuesday. So let me submit my outfit. So I'm just wearing this dress and this sweater. Then those are my shoes. So probably I'll talk to you guys in the evening or maybe tomorrow.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't.
So guys, today is on Thursday, the 20th of October. You know it's a holiday, so it's Mashujaa Day. So basically I'm just in the house and right now I'm having lunch. What time is it? It's around 2 p.m. so it's when I'm having my lunch. And don't mind me guys, because I just prefer having my meals on my bed. Yeah, so basically that's it. So I'm having this, some rice, some potatoes, and an avocado. You remember the avocados I showed you that I bought on Sunday? They are wonderful. So, and also with that I'm having my juice. So it's quite far from there, yeah. So I just want to have my lunch, relax, and I don't know. Or basically I didn't even wash my hair the other time. You remember, you guys, I told you that I was going to wash my hair. I didn't even wash my hair, so I'm planning to do that just now. It's perfect because it's on a holiday, so I don't have any engagements. So yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. I also need to fold my clothes. Obviously I don't fold my clothes so during the weekend. I don't know, it's just a habit. So let me finish my lunch and then I'll talk to you guys later.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
So today is I want to close actually the vlog, the weekly vlog. So today is on Saturday, the 22nd, yeah, 22nd, and now is when I'm having my breakfast at 12. At 12 is when I'm having my breakfast. I have some pancakes and I'm having chocolates. Yeah, so that's what I'm having. So don't mind this. I haven't styled my hair. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you're going to come back for more videos like this. So until next time, let's meet then. Bye bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now.